Mr. Homeschool.
Hi, Mr. Homeschool here. So today's lesson will be all about how to play a Victrola record player. And if you want to know the history all about record players, please check out my other video all about vinyl records. I'll leave the link in my description. So this is a Victrola record player, also known as a phonograph, and this may not be what you're used to when you think about record players. So this specific Victrola model dates back to the early 1920s. So this is not electric, it's all crank powered, and the sound will go through a tube out the bottom and no speaker. So this is an all-in-one cabinet right here. So it's the turntable, it's the sound that's going through the horn out the tube here, and then also storage for your records. So all these records are usually stored in these albums, in album sleeves, hence why till this day we still call them albums. These albums are also known as 78s as they play on 78 RPM. And these records are made of shellac instead of your modern vinyl. So how do you play this record? Okay, so you open the box, make sure that it's in the off position. That's up right here. And then you place the record down on the turntable. Okay, so make sure that these doors are open because that's where the sound is coming out. Crank it up. And turn it on, which is down. And then lower the needle, just like a regular record player that you may be used to. Now right here is where you can adjust the speed to perfect the sound. So there's fast and slow. So 78 RPM more or less. Hey, thanks for coming with me to learn all about how to play a Victrola, and thank you to John M. for providing it. Hey, what do you call a fake record player? A phonograph! Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more things like this, please like and please subscribe to this channel. And as always, thank you and God bless you.
Mr. Homeschool.